Guys, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Let's go ahead and jump into what we're doing in class today. So, watching the daily video, reading for 10 minutes and adding to the reading log. See new grading in the assignment description. I'm going to go over that with you. Play Kahoot on Ethos, Logos, Pathos, and Advertising, and complete and submit the Kahoot reflection. So, let's go over some of that information so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so when you click on the reading log, you'll see there is information that I titled New Grading Plan. So my new plan, after just thinking it over and seeing how it played out this weekend, it just made me a little bit nervous that in weekends to come, I might not be able to be as quick and grade 130 reading logs over the weekend and get them unsubmitted nice and easy for you to continue working on. So instead, my new plan is just don't submit this. Okay, so I'm giving you permission to not submit an assignment. Get it done, just don't hit the submit button because then I can go in myself. It takes a little bit more time on my end, but allows for you to continue editing no matter how long it takes me to grade. So don't submit. I'll go in and look at your assignment in the reading log weekly, and I'll expect that you either have 2 to 3 entries per week and your thoughtful weekly reflection. So when I say 2 to 3, I'm saying so this week starts with a purple day. Purple day classes, you'll have me 3 times this week, and I'll expect 3 entries. Silver Day classes only have me twice, so I would expect 2 entries from Silver Day classes this week, and then the opposite next week. So that's the new plan. Don't submit this assignment, just keep working on it. I'll keep moving the reading log to whatever folder is the most recent. So do expect it to move. That way you can kind of keep up with it and be reminded every day that you should add to that reading log assignment. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to do after you've read for 10 minutes and completed your reading log is this Kahoot Ethos Logos Pathos practice. This is practice on advertising, and I included this graphic because I even used it myself because I thought it was just really helpful. So I would recommend taking a look at this. It just kind of summarizes the way that these things look in advertising. So ethos looks like credibility and ethics. So how credible is the person talking? Are they a doctor? Are they, whatever? Are they a professional of some sort? Logos is logic and reasoning, so you might see like statistics or things like that. And then pathos is anything that might invoke an emotional reaction, something that maybe makes you think of your childhood or something that means something to you. So those are all just, I thought, good summaries for what those look like in advertising, and that'll come into play in the Kahoot. The Kahoot is 6 questions, and when you click on it, it'll ask you for your name. You do need to put your actual name, or I will not know who is who in order to give you credit for having done the assignment. So put your name and maybe your last initial. So I'd put Haley J, and then go ahead and answer the 6 questions. Shouldn't take you long at all. And then I have a Kahoot reflection, and I have it right here. So it asks you some questions that were included in the Kahoot, and then it just asks you to explain why you think the answer was what it was. So after kind of having seen the answers, why do you think it was pathos, or why do you think it was ethos? Please explain, and maybe this gives you a little bit more time to reflect on what each one actually was and why. Okay, so that's your assignment for today. I hope it goes well. I'm hoping this one's not a super long one for you, but if you need any help or if it does take you a long time, just let me know. This isn't meant to be a really long assignment day, okay? Okay, much love. Bye, guys.